everyone, nice to meet you again. Now we go to visit Angkor Wat. Now we are inside the Siem town. This is road to Angkor Wat from the Siem town. You can view the tree on the road. This is road to Angkor. So beautiful. There are big trees and so cool and so beautiful. It's amazing cities. So nice. Wow, it's a lot of trees. It's be close to the Angkor. This is we turn right, turn left. Now we turn left to Angkor, and we see a water, the river around the Angkor temple. This is what we saw Angkor Wat. Angkor Wat just means a small Angkor, but it's not small. The temple is so big. The water, the river is around the Angkor. So beautiful. This is my first time to visit Angkor Wat. Angkor Wat is is in Cambodia. Is in Siem city. Can you? This is parks in front of the Angkor. Yes, the parking place. Now we go to parking place. Okay, this is the in front of the Angkor Wat. See, it's so nice. Wow. Oh, we go. Nice. This is place we go. Many tourists. A lot of tourists here. Wow. This is look bad because I go around 3 o'clock and there is going raining, so the sky is so dark. This is a view in front of the Angkor Wat. Outside the gate, this is a gate. Now we go inside the compound of Angkor. we take one shelter. Wow, so beautiful. This is on the gate. Also Angkor. Yeah, we still move to Angkor. Wow. Beautiful. Amazing. Angkor. This is palm tree, yeah? Palm tree you can drink juice, you can drink the water, palm juice in Angkor. This is a libraries, yeah? The library for the people. Sorry for my speaking, but I try to introduce the Angkor Wat because I don't know sometimes. But this is I just go YouTube for myself, and please comment and subscribe my channel. I will try to find the many place for you in my channel. Okay, we go to inside the Angkor. We see yes, many tourists are. to visit Angkor. China, China, mostly China, and France and American, Japanese, a lot of tourists. Wow, wow. This is stone, only stone. Oh, so nice.
Nếu người ta drink rất là sạch.
Oh, wow, so beautiful. Stone, not cement. They build with the stone, without cement, just stone. This is this one is called Apsara dancing. You can view the Apsara in Apsara dancing. This statue around the wall of Angkor. Wow, I'm so happy to see this temple. Oh, statue! Put the statue is cut. It was cut the head. All the statue is stolen by I don't know who is stolen, but most statue was this one among spray for the local people that believe in God or believe in Buddhism. Can view with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will try to find money play for you. Wow, statue. Most statue was cut head. See? So big. They see pond. They see pond in Angkor Wat, inside the Angkor Wat. But no water here, just a pond, and when there are a lot of raining, all the water flow in this pond. See, no cement, only the stone. I don't know how they build. Wow, so dark. That's okay. Oh. Many tourists take a photo or video. Mostly is Chinese. They are from China and Japanese. Wow. We will go at the top, on the top. We did step to the top, but we cannot. We're not allowed to go.
天，突然放4天。
Kho là cái chạp kìa.
Yeah. So nice. Wow. This apsara, yes, a lot of apsara in the at the wall or on the wall of Angkor. We can view it outside Angkor. So beautiful. Now we are on the top of the Angkor. How can I say the Angkor? I difficult to say the Angkor. I built in their time. They don't have material to have. Wow. So fantastic building. Go to see Apsara again. We go to see Apsara again. Ah, so beautiful. We go to see this window. Wow, see, so beautiful. When we view on the top, it's so beautiful. When you visit this Angkor, only one you spend almost 3 hours to 4 hours. You can visit all the Angkor, this temple, for one temple. Not all. In Angkor Wat, a lot of temple, around 100 or 200 temple, but just one you can visit 2 or 3 hours. Let's say 4 hours. So nice. This was cut. This statue was cut. Wow. Hello. This is when we upstairs, we go downstairs, we go downstairs there. No, we are now on the top, but now we go down there. But so, you see, some people scary to go down. Wow.